Jain Umang and I am from Pragati English Medium School.
My name is Rajput Ansh and I am from Pragati English Medium School.
Now I will explain you something related to math, something very different. So first let's start with how to make hexagonal prism. A prism which has two sides similar is known as hexagonal prism, and hexagonal prism also has 6 sides. So I will teach you how to make hexagonal prism. For that, first we have to learn how to make a triangular prism. So for that, first take a square paper and fold it from its center. So we will get a center line. Now fold both the sides to the center line. Now and again open it. So we will get 3 lines on our paper. Now fold all 4 corners to the center line. So all 4 corners and fold that new shape to the center line. So we will get a shape like this. Now fold it from the back side. So we will get a tie-like shape. Now again fold both the sides to the center line. So when we will fold, we will get a diamond. So now we got a diamond which has a line here in the middle. Now fold the one flap into the another flap. So our triangular prism will be ready. So we'll got triangular prism. Like that, we have to make 6 triangular prisms. So all 6 are ready. Now afterwards, we will join all the triangular prisms like this way and we will combine them with gum. So we will get a hexagonal prism. And it is used in submarine. So the captain captain can see outside what is happening outside, which direction he has to go. Now my friend Ansh will explain you about fun with math.
Thank you. I will explain about something which is made by Ramanujan. It is magic square. Ramanujan made magic square and most of them are knowing magic square, but yet he didn't know how to make it. When you will write number from 1 to 9, in the center you will get 5 digits. 5. So for the center of the quality box we have to put 5. Now Ramanujan made a rule for making a magic square. One should be inserted at the middle row, last column, where we have inserted in a table. Okay, now we need total as 15 because the first 3 digit number is total as 6. The last 3 digit number total as 6, 24. And the middle number, we have taken middle 5 also. Now here also middle we have to take 4 plus 5 plus 6. We will get 15. So we have to get a total 15. 5 plus 1, 6. So we need 9. So we can complete the number 15. We have kept here 9. Now 9 is a bigger number. So we need 2 smaller numbers which can make it 15. So 2 smaller number can be 3 and 3. But same digit cannot be put in the square. So we have put 4 and 2. We are getting the sum as 15. 9 plus 4 plus 2. Now we will see diagonally. Diagonally is equal to 4 plus 5, 9. We need 6 more to make it 15. So we have kept here 6. Now we need, again we will see diagonally. 2 plus 5, 7. We need 8 more to see it diagonally. 15. We have kept 8 here. We get most of the figures here. Now 2 blank is there, 5. So only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. So 7 we will kept here. So 2 plus 7 plus 6. We will get 15 and 4 plus 3 plus 8. We will get 15. Now I will go with the square of things.
Thank you, Ansh. So in the 9th and 10th standard, square is important. Square and cube are most important. And students are afraid of math because they don't know how to calculate the square. So now we teach you the square of 3-digit number. So for the square of 3-digit number, if the number is in between 25 and 75, our base number will be 25 and 50. And if the number is between 76 and 100, our base number will be 100. So let's take one example, but before that you should know, if you want to find out square of any 3-digit number, you should know the square from 1 to 25. That's the rule. Without knowing it, we can't complete it. So let's take an example. So let's take the number as 991. So we have to find the square of 991. So first we will divide it in half. So one part will be of 9, other part will be of 91. So first let's find the square of 9. And 9 square is 81. So we will take 81. Then we have to find the square of 92. It's a bit difficult, but the number is in between 76 and 100. So our base will be 100. So we will subtract 91 from 100. We will get 9. And then again we will subtract 91 from 9. So we will get 82. So we wrote 82 as our first digit. Now we will square the difference of 100 and 91. So it is 9. And square of 9 is 81. So 82, 81. First two digits and last two digits. It is the square of 91. Now we got the square of 9 is 81. So we will write 81 here. And 91 is 82, 81. So what we will do is 81 we wrote here, but 82 we have to carry. So we will carry 82 here. Now we will multiply 99 into 91. So we got 8109. And then again we have to multiply it by 2. So we will got 1638. So 38 we wrote here, and again 16 we have to carry. So we got 1 and 6. So after addition we will get 9, 8, 2, 0 and 81. So our square of 991 will be 982, 081. Now my friend Ansh will explain you about Pascal's triangle.
I will explain about Pascal triangle. This is also made by Ramanujan. Ramanujan has made a simple method to do a square and also explained in computer language. As it in computer there is a Fibonacci number. This number is used for golden ratio also. For example, see how we can to make a Pascal triangle. 1. So 0 plus 1 we will give 1. Here also 0 plus 1 we will get 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 0, 1. So like this way continuously it will go for the Fibonacci number. If Fibonacci number extended numbers are left, like 1, 2, 3. And also we are getting the addition like 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So these are called the in Pascal triangle. Now my friend Umang will explain about square of 3 digits.
So now I will explain about cube of 2-digit number. So for that there is a formula. For example, we can take a cube of A and B, AB. So first there is formula is A square, A cube, A square B, AB square, B cube, and again multiply by 2. So 2A square B, 2AB cube. So for this we have to know the cube from 1 to 9. Let's take one example as the square of 99. What we will do is first we will denote 9. First 9 is A and another 9 is B. First formula is A cube. 9 cube is 729. Then our formula is A square B, means 9 square and again multiply by 9. So 9 square is 81 and 81 into 9 is 729. So what we will do is we will keep 9 as here and 72 we will carry. Now another, and then we have to double it. So double of 729 is 1458. So we will keep all the digits below the digit. So 1458 we will keep here. Then the is A B square. So B is 9. So 9 square is 81 and 81 into 9 again 729. So 729 we will keep it diagonally because we have to keep one digit upside one digit. And again we have to take double of it. The double of it will again be 1458. Then last is B square. B is also 9. So 9 square is 729. So we will keep, because here 2 came, so upside place is empty. So we will keep 7 here, 2 here and 9 here. Then we will add it. So 9 will come 9. 9 plus 2 plus 8 equals 19. 9 here and 1 carry. 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5. And when we will complete whole addition, we will get 970299. So it will be the cube of 99. like this way we can find any cube. Just we have to remember the formula of a cube a square b 2a square b ab square 2ab square b and b cube. When we will remember this formula, we can easily find out the cube of any two-digit number. Now my friends will explain. Now I will only explain you about multiplication of two digits of multiplication 6. Whole easy method. We can multiply 2 by 2 digit numbers or 3 by 3 digit numbers with easy method. So now I will explain first. 2 by 2 is somewhat easy, but 3 by 3 it takes long time. So I will explain you about how to multiply 3 by 3 digit number. Easy way. So let's take the number as 789 and 679. So first we will divide the answer in 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So first we will take the multiplication of these two numbers. So it will be 9 into 9, 81. We will keep in the last block. Then we will take the multiplication of 7 and 6. So it will be 42. We will keep it into the first block. Then we will forget 9 for some time. We will take a 7, 8, 6, 7. So 7 into 7 equals to 49. 6 into 8 equals to 48. So 48 plus 49, 97. So we will keep it into second block. Now we will forget 7 and 6. So 89 into 79 remains. So 8 into 9, 72. 9 into 7, 63. So addition is 135. So we will keep it 135 in last second block. Now we multiply all the three numbers. 7 into 9, 63. 6 into 9, 54. And 8 into 7, 56. And then we will add all the three digits. So we will get 173. We will keep 173 in the middle. Now what to do is, we have to take all the last digit as the answer and we have to carry the another digit to the next number, next column. So we will take 1 as here and carry 135 plus 8. It will become 143. So we will take 3 as here and 14 we will carry to other side. So it will become 187 after adding 14. So we will get 7 and 18 we will pass to another side. So it will become 115. So 115. So we will take 5 here and 11 will pass to other side. So 42 plus 11 equals to 53. So we will keep 53 as it is. So 53, 57, 31 is the product of 789 into 679. It is the easy method. It will take short time. Now,
thank you.
My friend will explain you about some math games which we want to play.
This is a game of finding anybody's age. So it's a very easy game. We'll play with you. For example, Monk, can you take your budget?
Yeah.
Now please multiply the first number from 10. Now 10, you add 3 3.
Okay.
Sir.
Now get double of the figure. Okay. So next number you add in. Okay. What's the answer?
80.
You got 18. So that's the secret. This is called a secret card. You don't have to tell to anybody else. So that's the secret is deduct 6 and you will get the age. So he said me the answer 18. So 18 minus 6 will be 12. So 12 is the age of Monk. This correct? Yes, it's correct.
These they have tried to explain the new technique which can be developed by them only. Here we are teaching students in an innovative method where they can learn and they can judge and they can develop their own creativity. In Pragati School we have some innovative methods to teach. So here there are some of the methods making the prism and also things they have done developed by. Thank you to all.